The Lenovo Digital Download Recovery Service allows you to create a Lenovo Recovery USB key. If you need instructions on how to create a USB recovery key with the Lenovo USB Recovery Creator tool, watch the video on how to create a USB recovery key linked in the description. Once it has been created, the USB key can be used to restore your Lenovo computer to a factory-installed Windows 10 operating system. Remember that all files on your computer's drive and all settings will be deleted. To avoid losing your data, back up all the data you want to keep. Before starting the recovery process, do the following. Power on your computer and repeatedly press the F1 key until you see the BIOS setup menu. Browse to the exit or restart menu and ensure that OS optimized defaults is set to enabled. Press F9 to load the default settings. Select yes and press enter. Press F10 to save your changes and exit. Now you can begin the recovery process. Ensure that your computer is connected to AC power and keep it connected during the entire recovery process. With the computer powered off, connect the USB recovery key to an available USB connector on your computer. Power on your computer and repeatedly press the F12 key until the boot menu is displayed. Select the USB key using the arrow keys and press enter to launch the recovery program. Select your language and click next. Read the license, select I agree to these terms and conditions, and click next. If your computer has multiple internal storage drives, select the internal storage drive on which you want to restore the operating system. In the displayed dialog box, click yes if you want to format all internal storage drives, or click no if you want to format the system drive only. Click yes to start the recovery. When the recovery process finishes, click yes to restart your computer. The rest of the recovery process is automatic and your computer will restart several times. When the Windows setup screen is displayed, follow the instructions on the screen to complete the Windows setup. You can find more information about the Lenovo USB Recovery Service at support.lenovo.com/Lenovo Recovery. To learn more about your Lenovo device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.